I'm going to give Terry Clear a call as she just got 2 sales overnight. And we direct every customer we generate from the company level to every single one of our customers who follows the system. So let's give her a call right now and congratulate her, because that's what you should do for the people you care about.
Hello.
Hey, how are you?
Hey, John. How you doing?
Good, you?
We're doing pretty good.
Good to hear. Good to hear. Yeah, we just got you 2 sales. We hope to send you a few more too.
Oh, God. That's great.
I think giving back and just that's what we're doing, is basically just everyone who comes through the system, we're directing to all of our affiliates, all of our customers.
Oh, I appreciate that.
But I just want to let you know, we want to keep sending you and everyone else as many as we can.
But, yeah, I got to figure out how to get logged in and see what's going on. Because when I first signed up, it was just getting started.
So I just got off the phone with Terry about the 2 sales we just got her in the past 12 hours or less, probably less than 12 hours. And the reason we're doing this, the reason why we made automatic cash flows, is for a few reasons. Number one, AI is going to change business forever. And we want to get you ahead of AI by making a system literally so simple, so easy, and so good that anyone, literally with zero experience, will get sales, get results, be able to grow and learn how to grow a real profitable, amazing business online. Number two, unlike nearly every company you've probably been burned by or have had bad experiences with, we bring all referrals that go to the company directly to every affiliate, directly to every person who follows the process. We reward people for doing the things they should to grow and succeed online. We actually care about you. We want to give back to you. And number three, we have the vision of delivering the most in-depth, best business growth, education, and training there is on the planet. Because years and years have gone by, you've been told by Tony Robbins, you've been told by Grant Cardone, you've been told by Russell Brunson, you've been told by Frank Curry, you've been told by all these different people how to grow a business online. You've been told by us. And I think there is a need for detailed step-by-step A to Z instructions so complete that there's nothing left to guess about. That's what we want to give to you. A complete with automatic cash flows. When you join right now, here's exactly what happens. Number one, you get access to the most simple, faster than AI system for building reliable, real income online. Number two, you're building with a company and person and people and team that has been online. I've been online since I was 13 years old. My dad argues 11 years old. It's been quite a while. We've been in the same industry, in the same niche this entire time. Let me share some more about automatic cash flows for you. 3 steps in the automatic cash flows system enable this to be easy, instant, and by far available to more people online and offline than ever before. So the first step is deciding if you want to increase your commissions up to 75% on every single sale brought in, period. As well, we have done free traffic and leads. If you want to get that, you can go ahead and do so. If you don't, you're good to go. You can go ahead and get your affiliate link and either submit it if you got traffic or drive traffic to it, which if you go to your training in your back office, we walk you through, number one, a lot of different traffic sources you can use for any business and this business as well that you want. Number two, we walk you through some of the best sales training there is on how to close any lead and prospect online. My speech from Budapest, where I teach people how to close leads through email marketing, texting, SMS, all types of follow-up, and a lot more. I'll be adding just today. By the time you see this and log into your account, you'll be seeing another 5 or 10 different high-level, incredible training on how to start, grow, and scale your business with automatic cash flows.